Okay, this is starting soon. Couple of minutes. Okay, I can hear myself. Okay. We'll start in a couple of minutes. Just waiting to see if someone else comes to the stream. Let's close this. Okay, the printer needs to be shut down. Okay, I'll be starting. Okay, hi. The idea today is to practice some CSS because I'm not good at it and I want to become better. So I have a small project here. I'm writing a clone of Habitica, which is a habit tracker. And it's also an RPG game. So it mixes both things, habit tracking and RPG. And the idea for me is just to write a simple clone just for me, just for playing. So I thought I'd start by just trying to duplicate this or clone this. And I have something set up. I have a very small application with all the information I need to replicate this. So for example, we have all of this, which is on the top bar, and this is my image simulating the avatar, etc, etc. So we'll go from there. I'll be making changes to the CSS and to the HTML. For backend, I'm using a simple Ruby application written in Roda, which will allow me to add and remove some data, and it's also what I want to use for the final product. So, product for the final application. So let's try to start working with this. The way I set it is I have a body. I'm using Slim instead of HTML because I think it's much nicer. So I started by having a wrapper that will wrap everything inside the body. And if we inspect here, the wrapper has, let's say, padding, margin. Okay, the the wrapper is not fully expanded, and we want it to be so. Let's see. Let's start by trying to set margin 0 and padding 0, and see what does that does nothing. So let's do also with 100%. That will take the whole, or we can use viewport width maybe. And finally, let's set the position to absolute, and let's start with top 0 and left 0, and I think that should change something. Okay. Okay, and now the body has a margin. So let's put our body margin 0, and first of all let's set a key binding to reload the browser. Save and reload browser just in case. So if I hit HyperX, browser gets reloaded, and now I have my body, I have my wrapper. Okay, perfect. Yes. So let me see. Do I have set the font? Font should be Roboto, which is the same as we have in Habitica, and we'll set it inside the wrapper, I think. So, oh no, let me think. Yeah, let's say font family Roboto, and that's our font. But I want to do something like this. I want to start using variables right away, so I don't have to extract everything later. And my intention is to be able to swap themes. So let's say $font family, and in our themes default, let's set font family to Roboto, and it works. And let's say instead of this, Arial. Yeah, so we have our variables working. So I have in my directory structure, I have CSS, I have application CSS, which is the main CSS file that will be loaded. And then I have a themes folder. I started playing with this and I created a dark and a light theme that just set it basic colors, but I'm not using that at the moment. So we have the default theme. So yeah, okay, let's start by setting the background color, and for that we'll use this color right here. Okay, where is it? Let's make it smaller. Background, that's the color. Okay, that's the color of the font. Let's save that, and I don't want to steal the CSS. I'm just taking the colors to make it easier on me instead of trying to come up with the color. And I don't have a color chooser, unfortunately. So this will do, I think. Where am I? So background color will be that, and text color that. Let's remove this comment and let's try this out. Does it change? Okay. So maybe that wasn't the color I was looking for. Maybe. So we have white, secondary, light. I wonder. Okay, let's do this. Let's inspect this part. And now we should be able to see the right color. Body color, text rendering, background color. I'm not sure which background color we are using here. This gray, no. Gray, secondary, light is F8, blah blah blah. Okay, let's try to find so Emacs color picker chooser. WebKit color picker, small experiment with embedded WebKit. Okay, let's see this one. Colorpicker.el requirements Python by GTK. Okay, so install Python. I think I have it, and Python. No, GTK. Let's try that. Okay, let's try color picker, WebKit color picker, color maps. Color picker show, and okay, no, that's not what I wanted. Color picker hide. Okay. Okay, let's do it very quickly because I don't want to waste a lot of time here. So let's copy this entire thing. Copy tmp slash paste it here. Eval buffer. Colorpicker.py. Colorpicker.py. Do we have a colorpicker.py here script? Colorpicker.py. Okay. Colorpicker.py. And if this works, I will probably install it. Oh, okay, script plus script and let's move it to script. Script. Okay. Slash tmp slash script colorpicker.py. Searching for program, not such file or directory. Okay. Chmod colorpicker.py and let's say 755. Try again. Yes. Okay. So now we can pick this color F9, F9, F9. Select. Oh, that's very, very nice. Let's go back. And reload. Is it the same color? I think so. Okay. I'm happy with that. Second, let's go to our layout, and let's put this whole thing into a div dot navbar, and all of this will be inside that. Let's open our application and import. Let's think. I will create a layout file. Now let's just import layout navbar. Okay. Import layout slash navbar, and we need to create a layout slash navbar dot SCSS. Okay, and let's say dot navbar background color red, because I like red. To try this out, save and reload, and it didn't work. Okay, I forgot that it needed an underscore. If I reload now, still didn't work. Why? Navbar is written correctly. Import. Oh, it's a new file, and if the file is new, I have to reload. I see errors there. Okay, let's go to the terminal. I know. I always forget the colons and semicolons. So now with that semicolon, load, didn't work. Why it didn't work? 500, okay. Undefined variable background color. Undefined variable background color. Where? Application is SCSS. I have my theme imported. I wonder if I messed something up. Okay, back up again. Let's try it. And okay. Undefined variable background color. Why is that? Let's open theme default background color should be I wonder what else did I change? So assets application line 27. Background color. Huh. Yes, save. Okay, now we're talking. So okay. Okay. So navbar background color red. Need to uncomment the navbar now again. And restart it just in case. And reload. And didn't work, and it blew up. Unexpected selector, and that is because I forget to put this. Okay, so we have our navbar here. Yay. So what should we do now? We need to put everything on one line. We need to remove the list item decorations. And I don't remember how to do that, of course, because I forget everything. So let's start. Oh, and we need this color. Okay. So let's go to our layout navbar CSS, and okay, now I need to set a key binding. Let's say hyper 6 color picker, and if I say hyper 6, I can pick this color. And if I reload now, okay, we are having problems with the margins and all that again. And did I change something here? What is this? Inspect. It's the wrapper. Okay. So yeah, so the wrapper padding and margin, that's okay. Navbar, margin 0. I thought that font family with position. Why isn't the margin getting applied here? the wrapper. Huh. Is the problem the theme? No, okay. That's good. Let's reload. Expect. Position absolute top, margin, padding. The content. Okay. The navbar. The navbar. Absolute, and it should we put 0, 0? Width should be 100%, and Control X K. Buffer. Okay, let's see. I should be able to kill all of this. Kill. Okay, mark all of this. Kill. Kill. Okay, perfect. Perfect. So, by the way, I totally forgot to explain something. In order to get organized with my CSS, I'm using a technique or a methodology or whatever it's called BEM, B-E-M, which helps you organize your elements. So BM stands for block element modifier, and a block is a is, for example, what we have here. Then the navigation bar will be a block, and everything inside the block, anything inside the block will have the following naming. For example, navbar underscore underscore, and then we put the element. And in this case, for example, we want to separate in left and right. So let's say we have a navbar nav left and a nav right. Okay, and and for example, we'll have a nav item, right? Or we can just say navbar underscore underscore item. And since we will have one item that is active or selected or whatever you want to call it, say it's is called active. We say dash dash active, active, and that's the modifier. So we have block, block, element, and modifier. And since we are using SCSS here, we can simplify this by saying, or not simplify but avoid duplication. We can say and item, and that's the same that's saying dot navbar underscore item. And if we move this inside here, we can now say and active, and this will represent navbar underscore item dash dash active. So I don't know if it's clear, but I'll use it, and if there's something you want to ask, you can just ask. So what do we have here? We have this Habitica logo, which I called Dungeons and Habits because I like that name for my app. But yeah, let's just go with it. So h1.nav underscore logo, and we can say and logo, and let's set a width of 100 pixels, and that's of course too much or too little, I don't know. Okay, font size 8 pixels. Let's make it smaller. Okay. Probably didn't like this. No. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm an idiot. Navbar logo. And let's leave it at h1 like that. Yes. So, let's make it easier on us for now. Do it like that. And okay, so the logo needs to be that, and let's say 200 pixels. And what I'll do is just see the actual width, height, where are you, width? Where are you? Okay, I know how to. Okay, so I need that. That's the whole nav. We need that element. 128. And I'm not sure about this. Not sure about this. Okay, the way this is done, let's nav ul line. I don't remember if I have to put it there, but or in the inside the li. Okay, yes. And the UL as well, and the nav as well. And I will remove the H1 and I will set display in line here, and there we go. Okay. Okay, now I can set the height of the navbar to match the other height. I think I saw 56 pixels. Yes, that's 56 pixels. And I think, yeah, it doesn't change by making it responsive, so come on, too much. Okay, so that's the height. Now we will set a navbar left that will have up to help, and a navbar right that will have the rest. And I think that will break everything. Okay. Okay, let's make it like that. No, didn't like it. What if they are spans? without an S. Okay, perfect. So what we will do is say navbar. Okay, let's say display flex. Justify content, I think. Space between. And what this will do is separate both navigation bars. So we are good. And now we'll introduce some padding. Or I can say align items center, and that will center it vertically. Hopefully. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. So now we can go back and try to stylize this thing. And let's start by making the font a little bigger. Logo and okay, let's say I font size. So let's say 2 EM. That should double it. And let's and let's put a span there and say span font size 1.8. And I'm reloading the wrong tab. And looks like it's a bit smaller. Okay, I'm happy with that. No, I'm not happy with that. 1.8 here. Yes, and 1.6 here. Okay, yeah, now I'm happy. And let's say padding will be auto top and bottom, and one EM. Okay, why? Navbar logo. Oh, okay. Padding. I cannot do padding. Why is that? Invalid property value. Okay, padding left. Yeah, that's aligned. And let's do the same with the right. And okay. And we need some space between the text and the icon, so let's say let's check this, say CSS space between. I can apply a border, sorry, a margin to the right of the of the icon or to the left of the text, but I'm wondering if there's something better to try. Add space. I mean something more general. Huh. So, wow, I can say I plus span every span preceded by a span, so every span except the first. So I assume that the span is the one with the red background. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. So that's very nice, actually. Let's say margin left. .2, and that will blow up, of course, because I forgot this and this. And now if I reload, we have the spacing and 0.3. Okay. Yeah, I think that's about right. Show guide. Yeah, okay, I won't use this. Let me think. Okay, maybe what I want to do is add some padding, not just to the logo. Let's say padding 1 em, and this will move everything to the right. And this moved everything. And now maybe I don't want these two. And we're back to where we were. Except I want to set a width. I want to set so we have the content, margin. Okay, so this have a margin right. Wait, what they did there is set a margin right of 16 pixels. Okay, it looks like the spacing is a little bit off. Okay, and that's because I've used 1 instead of 1.5. And now my tasks say let's see, where does it fall? Okay, I don't think I made it as I wanted, but let's keep going for now. Okay, let's go to the tasks. So I don't so this is a navbar, this is a UL navbar list, and we won't use it, but I like to have something like that there. And navbar item. Okay, so item will have padding 1 EM. Okay, now that's separated. We'll set the color of everything to white. I don't want to use white, but let's wait for a second here. What I want to do is let's open down here our theme default, and let's start adding navbar styling. So we will say navbar background color is that, and we will use that. I'm not sure if white will be, let's choose this color. Oh, it is white. Okay, okay. Let's say that white is actually white for now, but I will create a variable for that because I want white and black to be pseudo colors, or to be off white and off black. But for now, let's do that. When my intention is to redo this at some point with my own design, and by then what I want to achieve is I just want to start changing a couple of things here and make everything look nicer, or more like I want it. So yeah, I will keep variables for everything. So this is the background color, and this is our white, and nothing should change. And say that our white is F1, F1, F1. And I can't actually see that. So let's say A. Yeah. Okay. Okay, yes. Duplicate, and let's reload, and now we can see that it worked. Okay, so I keep getting notifications. Okay, so what I was gonna do is remove this blue, and oh, this looks nicer. Okay. Align items center, padding. I wonder why isn't this text centered on the terminal? Why? So we have the list, we have the nav, okay, because we need to set CSS center text vertically. Okay, let's see. Vertical align. Okay, vertical align middle. Vertical align middle. Let's reload. Nope. Okay, again, let's inspect exactly that. So why did that move back? Did that move down? Sorry. Okay, yes. So let's say that all the navs 100% and the margin is 0. No, that didn't work. Let's see if the problem is with the ULs. No. Okay, what did I do different with this one? Why? So the LIs, yeah, definitely that's a problem. I wonder if that will work. Yay! I broke everything. It's not a problem of positioning. What I want to know is... Oh, okay. I think I put some padding somewhere. on the item, that's fine. Padding left, padding right, I don't know. Let's say padding 0, 1.5. And comment this out. No, same thing. Okay, let's display padding 1 EM, display inline. What else do we have? The color, padding, height. Let's make it 100%. I think I just tried this, but I don't recall. Nav list. List. Open. I don't know. I hate CSS today. The logo is fine. The navbar. Okay, we have the content. Nothing for the padding. This. We don't need this. What about this UL? Aha! We have a margin of 16. Height margin 0. Where the hell is that spacing coming from? Where? Where are you coming from? Wrapper width. That's not working, but I don't care. Padding. That's that's fine. Height, width. style. Let's change. That doesn't change anything. Text align. Position. Okay, we will remove the position absolute. I just discovered that's a good idea. Okay. But why is navbar padding is 0 and 24, which is fine. Navbar left. What do we have here? Okay, let's open the door for the dog. Sorry, just a second. So we have a couple of pixels bothering us there, and I don't know where they come from. Okay, that wasn't it. Navbar left. Yeah, let's add modifier here. %. Why did that happen? Oh, I see. So now I can say this. And I have the logo, and I know. Is this overkill? Let's justify flex start and oh my god. I'm making it worse. Why am I making it worse? Okay, the list item. Okay, no, that didn't help. Did I broke anything? No, still working. So the navbar left is that. We have the logo nice and centered. That nav. What do we have here? That's all content. And that's fine. And maybe I should say I forgot what I was gonna do. Okay, the list is okay, now I don't understand this. Why the hell is this like this? Display line, display flex. Where do I have display flex? I have it on the nav bar, on the list, and on the left. I probably want it on all navs as well. And I'm not sure about this. %, height. Okay, I might need to start this over. Okay, yeah, let's start this over on this part. I don't know why the buffer keep. Oh no, that's nice. Okay. Okay. So what we have here is, let's go add it again. We have a navbar. Let's say here I messed something up there. calculate. Yeah, calc is this 100% minus minus what? Minus what? The padding? Okay. (3em). Twenty-four. With the margins. Set it by hand. 100. %. Do I have any margin? Okay, let's say minus 24 pixels. And no, that's not it. %. What about I don't care. Okay. Okay. Let's ignore that for now. We have let's do this number item dot no, let's say item 1 pixel green. Ugh. Solid. And this will suck for everyone, but I don't care. For now, let's say okay, that works. I'll add all of this. Okay. Yeah, that we have left, which has a border of blue border, and we have the logo, with a yellow border, and we have a nav with a red color, and we have the list, and I'm out of colors. This color, yeah, I want this here. Okay, so we have the outermost thing here is our left nav. Let's say instead of saying left and right, I will call them both block. Oops. And okay, now we want height 100. Perfect. We want display flex. We want justify content to be to the left. That means flex start, and align center. Okay. That's good. So we don't need this border anymore. Yellow, yeah, we don't want that one to appear. And the item is the last thing we will touch. And we have, first we have a nav. Wait a second. CSS, no, HTML nav. Don't we have some kind of nav with navs inside now? That's a UL, vertical navigation bar, UL, LI. I want something more semantic. The nav tag. Nav. And then just the items inside. You know what? I think I like that more. Okay. Okay. Usage. Display block. Nav. Oops. Or is it the item that I have to apply? I always forget how inline works. Yes, the items. Okay. Sounds good. Sounds good. Sounds good. Yes, I want this. Okay, yeah, I'm fine with this. I'm fine with this. I'm fine with this. So that's well positioned. The list doesn't exist anymore. But yes, I will keep the border for now. Display flex. And now I think I don't need this anymore because the flex will. Yes. Oh, that's nice. And align items center. Yes. Yes. Now okay, we don't have a width, a set width. What we do have is padding. And if I remove that and I say font weight bold, I think it's like that. That's bolder. Oh, I'm really liking this. I'm really liking this. Okay, the font size is wrong, I think. And the logo, it's a bit wider. Okay, so let's say navbar item active. Is active the right word to use here? Yes, it is. So the active item will have a border 4 pixels, border bottom 4 pixels solid, and I like to arrange it like that. And we will choose that, select. Okay, that wasn't a border bottom. That wasn't a border bottom. Any ideas? Any ideas? Any ideas? First of all, the height looks almost right. And Okay, the font is not right for starters. The font okay, the font is not Roboto, but I actually don't mind using this font. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Let's start by changing this. Let's say dot navbar item. Oh, that looks nice. Okay. I see the problem there. So how will we simulate this? We want this to be inside the line. Okay, HTML. Border. Let's see how do borders work. By the way, what I could do here to make it very simple, I think, is to add to do something like this. I think that should work. Oh no, it didn't. Huh. Okay, no. It didn't work. It didn't work. Okay. What I was gonna say is I can put another another element inside the navbar item and set the border on that, but I really don't want to add more nesting here. Especially because programmatically it's easier to to add this than to add another level. Sorry, I'll mute a second. So yeah, let's check how do borders work. Borders, solid dotted, double reach, non-hidden, outset, inset. That doesn't help me. Border style property, have one of 4 values. Top, right, bottom, and left. 1 to 4 values. Okay. Border width 5 pixels, solid, medium, blah blah blah. Color, I know the color, how it works. What else? Individual sites. Ah, okay, wait a second. I know. I can set the height. I don't like this. Okay, the height I can calculate it by saying 100% minus 5, 2.5. 3 pixels. Let's say 6 here. And if I do that, maybe... Oh, it blew up. Because I forgot the semicolon there. Okay. That didn't work. Shouldn't this work? Height 41. And the other thing I can try is saying position but that's not how it should go. So active calc 1em, which is this minus 1.5 pixels, and I broke it again. Oh, there we go. Maybe 2 pixels. So let's see, let's make it extremely big. We have the margin there. We have maybe the padding is not necessary. You pixels. Oh, I see. So we will say that and 0. So we have top and bottom will be the same. And left and right, auto. Yes, no. If I add a 2 pixel margin, that should go up. Why isn't it going up? What am I missing? I have this. Okay, 3, 5. Okay, okay. Invalid property value. Oh, I hate this. Hate this. I have to set it manually. Yes. And let me check here. Nah, don't do that to me, please. Okay, it is aligned. Let's try to make it exact. Let's say 2.5. Yes. Let's say 3, not 5, 3. I don't get it. We have 1 pixel. .5 pixels. Oh, okay. And that's the border, and now I have to increase. Okay, 2.5. Yes. Oh, okay, yes. I have to increase the margin, so I actually have to decrease this because we are subtracting. And now it's aligned. Yes, it's aligned. And now I will change to this one, and I'll make it smaller and make this go back to the right size. Yes. But still, okay, let's do something like this. And we need to subtract 3 and is this 1? Is this, what happens if I say 3? Inventory. So we have the margin. Oh, okay. Okay. That's a problem. That is a problem. Let's think about this. Why is this happening? We have that, the padding. We can keep subtracting to the padding. Say 6. Uh-huh. Five and 5. That's aligned. That's awesome. And border top needs to be this color, and I'm cheating, but that looks fine. There's something about the color I chose. There is something about the color I chose. Background color, this one. No, it's the same. So why? Okay, I see some difference between my colors and these colors, and I'm not really sure why. Oh, maybe it's this thing. Let's say Okay, yeah, that's the problem. I need to pick, select, and save everything and reload. Now I can see that my borders need to be shorter for yes, and aligned. Oh yes, that's nice. I like that a lot. Okay. And I will save that color because I think those are the stats. Yeah, in fact, I've called this section stats. Okay, the last thing I will do for this stream, because I have to go have dinner, is set the stats color. And for that we have, let's see, we have our dashboard which have stats. Okay, so application CSS, layout navbar, import dashboard, import stats. And stats will have a background color of that. And now it looks much nicer, much nicer. Okay, I still need to fix the size of this somehow. Let's take a look at that. HTML. What if I set the body, the width, and the no. Oops. Okay, I will deal with that in another time. But for now we have pretty nice pretty nice things here. Color dollar white. Oh, come on, this one. Is that too white? No, it's fine. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this. I'll probably stream tomorrow as well. So let me see. Yeah, I'll probably be streaming tomorrow. I'm not sure what time, but you can follow me on Twitter. My handle is Fiachetti, and I will let you know on Twitter, and I also set the will send a notification here. So thank you for watching. Cheers. Bye bye.